Guitar, wind 20015, runway 28 right.
Random check complete.
28 right,
Runway verified.
1074, request roll to Quebec.
That is approved.
Thank you.
Go at 5560, go down to Delta, hold short, runway 28 left.
Down to Delta, hold short 28 left, count 5560.
JetBlue 416, traffic on a 2-mile funnel behind you, RNAV trucking, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
There, takeoff, 28 left, RNAV trucking, JetBlue 460.
Southwest 3638, contact NorCal departure, good day.
Southwest 3638, good day. San Francisco Tower, hello, Turkish 79 Kilo Heavy.
Turkish 79 Kilo Heavy, San Francisco Tower, hello, wind 210 at 16, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Runway 28 right, clear to land, Turkish 79 Kilo Heavy.
AirPod 6, traffic off the parallel is on a diverging course, wind 190 at 16, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
28 right, clear for takeoff, airport 6. That's it. You want to achieve airspeed alive 1, 2, 3 times. Okay.
United 2449, San Francisco Tower, no traffic on final for your runway. Traffic will cross downfield, runway 28 left, line up wait.
28 left, line up wait, United 2449.
V1, rotate.
JetBlue 416, contact NorCal departure, good day.
See if you got any follow us. Fast right, activate, seal up. The climb over is jet wash. Flaps on
AirPod 6, contact NorCal departure, good day.
Oh, departure, good day, airport 6.
And flight level change 200, please. Thank you.
Departure, hello, airport 6, 1000. 200 climbing via Wesley 5, except maintain 3000.
Airport 6, no departure for the contact, climb and maintain flight level 190.
Maintain flight level 190, airport 6.
He's off alright, right?
Yeah, way past him, we're good.
Alright, sounds good. Swap the bleeds in just a second. I'm going to bring the nose down.
Tower November 555 Bravo Kilo, hello, short of 14 Alpha 1, ready to go.
Falcon 555 Bravo Kilo, St. Paul Tower, good afternoon, turn left heading 060, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Left 06014, clear for takeoff, 5 Bravo Kilo.
At left turn 060.
Clear on the final, clear down the runway. Departure 21-2.
Alright, compass is swinging in the right direction, lining up at 14. Engines are spooled up.
Airspeed alive, both sides.
Burn.
80.
My tops. Ball.
VR. Positive rate.
Yep.
Gear up.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Flaps up.
Contact man departure.
Contact departure so long, 5 Bravo Kilo. Departure, hello, November 555 Bravo Kilo, 1.4 for 2500.
Or 555 Bravo Kilo, departure, radar contact, I maintain 3000.
I maintain 3000, November 5 Bravo Kilo.
Minneapolis approach, that's November 3518, Foxtrot level 4000. Alright, 3518, Foxtrot, Minneapolis approach, Minneapolis altimeter 29er.
Altitude.
2988 for 3518.
2 for 3.
Or 5 Bravo Kilo, turn right heading 120.
Alright, 120, 5 Bravo Kilo.
Or 5 Bravo Kilo, contact departure 124.7, good day.
Departure 24-7, goodbye.